Hello students, today we are learning about valves in our heart. For simple understanding, you can take valves are muscular doors which opens only into one direction. The valves keep blood moving through in the heart in correct direction and prevent backflow of the blood. There are 4 valves in our heart: tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonary valve and aortic valve. There are 2 types of valves: atrioventricular valve and semilunar valve. As the name suggests, atrioventricular valve means the valve present in between atrium and the ventricles. The 2 valves coming under this category are tricuspid valve and mitral valve. Semilunar valve, on the other hand, are the valves present between ventricles and the blood vessel attached to them. Pulmonary valve and aortic valves come under this category. Let us learn about tricuspid valve now. The valves are made up of strong, thin flaps of tissues. They are called as leaflets or cusps. From this word only, we are naming this valve as tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve contains 3 cusps or 3 flaps. Tricuspid valve is present in between the right atrium and right ventricle. Please locate the tricuspid valve in the picture and find its location in between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Moving on to the mitral valve, it is the next atrioventricular valve. Mitral valve contains 2 cusps. Mitral valve is present in between left atrium and left ventricle. Now, semilunar valves. Pulmonary valve is one semilunar valve. Pulmonary valve contains 3 cusps. It is present in between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Please find the label in the diagram and locate its position. Now the final valve, aortic valve. Aortic valve contains 3 cusps and it is present in between the left ventricle and aorta. And here we are finishing all the valves present in our heart. See the image in front of you. It is showing the section of all the valves. Here you can find only mitral valve have 2 cusps. Other than mitral valve, every valve is having 3 leaflets or 3 cusps. For a quick revision, please listen carefully. Tricuspid valve present in between right atrium and right ventricle. Mitral valve present in between left atrium and left ventricle. Aortic valve present in between left ventricle and the aorta. Pulmonary valve present in between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. These valves play important role in the pumping of the blood. The next video we will know about how the blood is circulated within the heart.